latest census, there are nearly 2 million Asian-owned firms here in the United States. That's up from 1.2 million just 5 years prior to that measurement. Of these firms, 600,000 are located here in California. ABA serves one of the fastest growing segments in the United States.
The Asian Business Association has been making an impact with small businesses for almost 4 decades. That's 40 years, advocating for entrepreneurship and creating programs to bring Asian businesses together.
That's right, James, but ABA couldn't have done it without the support of their members, sponsors, and partners.
Each year, ABA honors leaders in the Asian American business community.
We're here today to celebrate 5 outstanding honorees that deserve this recognition.
It's our pleasure to present the award for Business Enterprise of the Year to CJ America. Founded in 1953, CJ has had decades of experience in 4 key markets: food and food service, bio and pharma, home shopping and logistics, and entertainment and media.
I sincerely thank the Asian Business Association for recognizing CJ America as the Business Enterprise of the Year.
Congratulations to Wang Fu Productions, ABA's Media Company of the Year.
I can tell my parents that even though I didn't go to business school, I got an award from a business association.
Yeah.
This year, David achieved an outstanding milestone, becoming the first Korean American to serve on the LA City Council, and only the second Asian American. We'd like to recognize David Wu with the ABA Chairperson Award.
When an elected official has the will to do something, they have the power and the resources to get it done. And I got bit by the bug and I said, sign me up.
We're pleased to be here and present the Advocate of the Year Award to Mr. Richard Chacon of Union Bank.
You know, we don't do this because we're paid to do it. We do this out of a passion and a love for what we're doing. We're trying to make a difference in the community.
Accepting the award for U.S. Bank is Mr. Darrell Brown, Senior Vice President and Region Manager.
I value leadership. Those that are individual thinkers, those that are strategic, those that understand the importance of connecting community. So when I look across this room and think about the ABA and how they've united our community and created a crusade to make a difference for small business, it is indeed something special. And U.S. Bank is really, really proud and honored to be associated with ABA. Let's give ABA and all of its staff a big hand.